Welcome, dear dreamers, to a bedtime journey like no other. Tonight, we're going to escape gravity's mundane grip and rise to a realm where clouds are fluffy pillows, and the wind sings lullabies. Are you ready? If not, too late. We're going there anyway. Let's start by finding a comfortable position. Don't worry, you don't have to be floating in midair, not yet anyway. Lay down, close your eyes, and take a deep breath. Inhale the sweet scent of adventure, and exhale the heavy weight of reality. Feel yourself drifting up, and away, into the open sky. Below you, the world becomes a mere painting, and above, the stars twinkle with cheeky winks. What's that? A cloud shaped like a rubber duck? Or maybe it's a pillow. A really big, fluffy pillow. Now, let's make ourselves at home on this cloud bed. Feel it adjust to your body, perfectly contouring your shape. It's like lying on a marshmallow without the sticky mess. The wind gently rocks you back and forth like a loving parent. Who knew Mother Nature had such tender arms? You're safe here, surrounded by softness, enveloped in ease. The stars begin to serenade you with a nocturnal symphony, while the moon shares its soft glow, like a nightlight for cosmic travelers. It's time to surrender to sleep. Let go of any remaining thoughts or concerns. They can't reach you here, high above it all, cushioned by clouds. Keep breathing, slowly and steadily. Inhale serenity, exhale the ordinary. Feel yourself sinking deeper into sleep, into dreams, into whimsical wonders. Rest now, dear dreamer. Sleep tight, and don't let the imaginary bedbugs bite. The night is yours. The clouds are yours. The dreams are yours. Sweet dreams. Gradually fading into silence.